Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, when people mess with the wrong cops, you'll see how a single reckless decision can instantly change everything. These real dashcam moments reveal how defying police quickly leads to unavoidable consequences. After receiving multiple reports about a man causing chaos with an axe, Knoxville police located Aarons. Despite repeated commands to drop the weapon, he continued advancing toward officers with the axe in hand. The situation became extremely dangerous, forcing police to open fire to stop him. Violently challenging law enforcement only pushes situations to their breaking point.
Put it down! 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 Don't reach for it! Don't reach for it! Don't reach for it! Hey, grab the axe.
In front of the First Presbyterian Church, this man attacked a security guard and then sat waiting with a knife in his hand. When police arrived and ordered him to drop the weapon, he suddenly stood up and charged at them, escalating the situation. Resisting law enforcement only makes the consequences arrive faster and hit harder. Police made contact with the suspect and ordered him to drop the knife and cooperate with the investigation. However, Stephen Kissick repeatedly resisted and ignored commands. After numerous attempts to gain compliance, he continued to refuse and even attempted to attack officers. The situation became critical, forcing police to use force. Resisting law enforcement only makes the price far more severe. After fleeing the scene, the suspect hid inside a trash bin in hopes of escaping. Police quickly discovered the hiding spot and took him into custody. Hiding only prolongs the situation. The ending is inevitable.
He's in this trash can. Get out! Get out!
Okay! Get on your foot! Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Why you tased me?
Because you wouldn't come out!
I'm not gonna get a chance. Ew! Why you do that? Why y'all do that?
Not hard.
I'm done. I'm a problem. Really? I'm a problem.
That's the only one we had?
The other one didn't. Yeah, they're both right here. I think we have full. Just two.
Okay.
Yeah, we have all the barbs.
Come back! I'm buying the red one is on the way. Let's go.
A routine traffic stop quickly escalated into chaos. In Jackson, police stopped a driver for a broken brake light, but he ignored commands and parked in a disabled parking space. When asked to cooperate, he continued to argue and resist. That behavior only ensured his arrest.
If I die, I want my kids
Step
to see what
outside.
happened.
Step outside.
This is uncalled for,
We're gonna
bro.
get you up,
I
okay?
was not under arrest. It wasn't a traffic stop. He had no right to follow me in this store and do this to me.
All right, we're gonna go back in the back of this squad car now, okay?
What's the reason I'm being detained? Because it was never a traffic stop. Why am I being detained? I know I'm not under arrest.
Well, you're under arrest.
Yes.
Yeah, you're under arrest. You assume so. You're fighting with officers when I showed up, so we...
I have no reason to take it. Follow me.
It's in the car there, man.
Y'all see the bumper off, right?
After responding to a report of a domestic disturbance, Manchester police encountered Joseph DiLoretto, who was armed with a knife. Despite repeated commands to drop the weapon and attempts to subdue him with a taser, he aggressively advanced toward officers and continued provoking them. Confronting law enforcement with a weapon only pushes the situation to its most dangerous edge.
I got him at gunpoint. Still got the knife. Put the knife down! Put it down! Drop the knife! Shots fired! Shots fired! Multiple shots fired! Police! Open the door!
Police arrived after receiving information about Balo gun, but when asked to cooperate, she suddenly produced a knife. She ignored all commands, forcing officers to use force. Brandishing a weapon in front of police only makes everything worse.
Let's not do that. Please don't.
Being intoxicated, losing control, and then resisting and attacking police is the fastest formula for getting arrested. What could have been handled easily was pushed out of control by her actions, forcing police to intervene and take her into custody.
Please show me, please. I'm showing you.
You're under arrest, okay?
I'm gonna try to do all of these. Stop. Stop resisting.
While Officer Rose was gathering information from a carjacking victim, a man suddenly began attacking another person with a knife. He ignored all commands to drop the weapon, causing the situation to escalate immediately. Police were forced to open fire to stop him. Choosing violence in public leads to only one outcome.
Drop the knife! 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 Shots fired, suspect down. What happened, man? Where did you sit? I'm just coming from here, sir, we need to check. Here, sit down.
Just one moment of losing control ruined the entire trip. Screaming and causing a disturbance at the airport only made things worse. She repeatedly refused to cooperate and resisted police, and ultimately paid the price for her own actions.
We told you numerous times to stop yelling. All right, we're done with that. No, that's you. You need to stop yelling and stop being disorderly. If you continue, okay, but I need you to understand. If you continue to yell, you're going to be arrested for disorderly conduct. If you continue to yell and raise your voice.
A tense police pursuit unfolded. Anthony Lainez fled after being stopped, caused a crash, then carjacked another vehicle. The situation escalated further when he used the driver as a human shield and fired at a police officer. Those actions resulted in immediate consequences. Police responded to reports of an armed man inside a convenience store. When officers approached, he continued to resist and attempted to attack them. Confronting law enforcement leads to only one ending. A family called police due to a relative causing a disturbance at home. When officers arrived, he brandished a knife, challenged police, and advanced toward them, while ignoring all commands and warnings. The situation became tense, forcing officers to act to subdue him. Resisting law enforcement while out of control leads to a tragic outcome. What began as a welfare check meant to ensure safety quickly escalated due to aggressive and uncooperative behavior. She repeatedly raised her voice, refused to follow simple police instructions, insisted she had done nothing wrong, and demanded to stay where she was. Despite officers' attempts to de-escalate and explain, she continued to resist and push the situation further than necessary. In the end, resisting law enforcement leads to only one outcome.
What are you gonna do? Oh yeah? You're gonna turn me around for what he put
After receiving a report of theft at a Family Dollar store, police identified and approached the suspect. During the investigation, officers discovered an object resembling a weapon, and a struggle broke out while attempting to handcuff him. The situation became extremely tense, but ultimately, the law prevailed.
Bro, 15, 998, 998. Yes, sir.
That wraps up when people missed with the wrong cops. What do you think about these situations? Were the outcomes unavoidable, or could things have ended differently? Share your thoughts below, and don't forget to like and subscribe.